Hello students, this is our second chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about that what was happened after Second World War. Under the shadow of the Second World War, Germany had waged a genealogical war, which resulted in the mass murder of selected group of innocent civilians of Europe. The numbers of pupils killed, including 6 million Jews, 2 lakhs gypsies, 1 million Polish civilians, 70,000 Germans who were considered mentally and physically disabled. By side, innumerable political opponents, Nazi divides and unprecedented means of killing people, that is by gassing them in various killing centers like Auschwitz, the uh, Nuremberg Tribunal sentenced only 11 leaders of Nazis to death. Many others were imprisonment for life. The retributions did come, yet the punishment of the Nazi war for short of the brutality and extent of their crime. The Allies did not want to be a harsh of the defense Germany as they had been after the First World War. Everyone come to feel that the rise of Nazi Germany could be planetary tracked back to the German expansions at the end of the First World War. What was the expressions? Here is a term genocidal. Genocidal means that killing on large scale, a system of killing humans in a mass killing, in which a large number of innocent pupils or any type of pupils who were identified on the any basis, not a particular uh, legal basis, but on the basis of their religion or caste or community or the region, they were killed in a large scale. This is known as genocidal war, which was happened after First World War in Germany, and a huge of Jews were passed their life in Germany. So many pupils were died in the Second World War because Germans mostly Hitlers mostly think that the defeat of the First World War the main cause and the reason was these Jews. So they killed them in a large amount, over 6 million Jews. You can imagine that how much Jews were killed without any cause, without any reason, but only of the arrogancy and semi-barbarity of the Hitler. They all had lost their life in Germany. So Hitler and Germans were total responsible, alleged as a responsible person for this mass killing. And overall, other civilians and army peoples, military peoples were either lost their life or they become mentally and physically disabled. So the total responsible for all these causes and a great and huge loss, Germans were responsible.